Let me get that one. Okay. Look, look. Look in here. Ready? Usually she'll catch them.
Good catch.
Good catch, Penny. Now sometimes she'll get them and she'll fold them right in together. Good girl. That's a good girl. Good girl. Penny's a good girl.
Nice.
Look at that.
Nice.
That's a good girl. Ready? Go get it. Good
Nice
girl,
catch.
Penny. I just love how she stacks them though.
Yeah, that's funny.